What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be dealing with the terrible alignment of my front wheels. So as you can tell, we got a little bit of poke and a little more poke. We don't need that much poke. And the wheel is straight. Yes, I will be replacing that. No, it's not in this video. Today's video, we're gonna take care of that. As y'all saw, we have some adjustable control arms from Apex Engineered. Really good stuff for all S30 and S130, which I think is the 280ZX chassis code. 240Zs, 260Zs, 280Zs, honestly, mwah, love it. I have their rear lower control arms, amazing. Just look at these things. Beefy, strong, and most importantly, they are adjustable. The idea is that you got adjustable washers on here for spacing. Any spacing issues you may or may not incur, the actual tie rods. And then this top piece goes into a knuckle, tightened down with another lock nut. Hopefully this will solve our problems. So this is our current tie rod setup. Ball joint's a no-no. Knuckle is OEM, which has been fine and just recoated. And yeah, we could adjust this a little bit, push this guy inside, but then we wouldn't have an excuse to get new parts. Also, if you haven't subscribed, like, what are you doing? Okay? Cool car content, 2J swap Dotson. You can make fun of me in the comments. I don't see a downside. Also, spoiler alert, this year, even if I don't have this car running, there will be driving content. Do with that what you will. That's good, I'm glad that was pressed up in there. Well, obviously I'm an idiot. Before you detach, keep your tie rod attached. It makes loosening this a lot easier than having to do it one at a time. Yeah, that was my own stupid mistake. Literally took me 5 seconds as soon as I figured that one out. As our good friend Chris Fix would say, out with the old and in with the new. Bro, so nice. So nice. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So giving her a little eyeball alignment, I'm gonna throw the wheel on there. And adjusting this thing is even easier than I thought it would be. Didn't realize the wheel had moved, so we're gonna do a little more adjusting. The good news is, I thought we was kind of worried about the clearance of the wheel. We have oodles of space, possibly even gobs. Sick. I don't really know about any of y'all, but I love me some wheel poke. Love me some wheel poke. Look how good that looks. Yes, this is much more what I was looking for. If you can tell, I don't know how well you can tell on camera, but it's coming in this way just a bit. As you may be able to see here, if it'll focus at all, pretty much all the way in on the inner tie rod. We're all the way in on a rod end over here. So now all we have is adjustability outwards, so the fact that the wheel is pointing inward a little bit is a good thing. All we have to do is twist it like this. The wheel is kind of facing outward, which means we went a little too far, so we'll try to get this roughly straight, lock those guys in, and then same thing on the other side. Do me a huge favor and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Honestly, trying to hit 1,000 subs, trying to get monetized as quickly as possible. I love making these videos. Obviously, it makes it harder not being, full time at it. Gonna try to do quicker things and get more videos out just for y'all. You know what's really helpful in this situation? A lift. I'm just gonna put that one out there. Who knows? Maybe the dream of owning a custom shop will come to fruition soon. Who knows? So here's the after, much better. not poking out too much. This one's poking out a bit, but that's what they're adjustable for, so I can just turn that in a little bit. But much better than before that had like the penguin looking feet. Now that it's 10:55 at night, I'm gonna go ahead and go hit a lift before I come home, shower, and go to bed. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace. I wish I'd have bought their entire, they have an entire rear assembly. It's beautiful, but I bought a different one before that. It's still good. I bought the T3 one. It's still good. It's nice. It's well made, but the Apex Engineer one is an entire rear subframe. So we might change it out one day, but that day is not anytime soon, so we're not gonna worry about it.